I would describe today's students as students who would like to get the best grade possible in the most efficient way. My biggest struggle is getting the students to read the material. Often business students are not particularly interested in the law or don't think they're interested in the law. They don't think it directly impacts their livelihood in the future. Getting them to read the material and then to prepare for class and engage in the materials is difficult. MindTap provides a really unique learning path where the path itself follows Bloom's taxonomy. So the students in the worksheets are getting the knowledge that they need to have, and then through the brief hypotheticals and the videos, they're getting a little higher level thinking, more the comprehension, more the application. And then finally, we have the blueprints where the students are actually using critical analysis to solve problems. All of those I can use as a professor to have the students do those before they come to the lecture so that they have read the chapter. They are prepared to discuss the material. Students can't really be memorizers and get through a business law course. They really do have to apply the knowledge that they're learning to hypothetical factual situations. We want our students to leave the business school knowing how to identify legal issues and prevent those legal issues in the workplace. Analytics are terrific because I can go in and I can see how engaged students are. And I can have students that perform very well on exams that are not as engaged. And then I know that it's a good tool for them as a supplement. But I see that there's students who are highly engaged in MindTap as well that do very well on the exams and appreciate that. Well, I'm always asking feedback from my students. I do it informally all through the semester, but since I had used MindTap for the first time this past semester, I did a formal survey of 5 questions. So the most important response I received was that 92 out of 95 of my students that responded said that they agreed or strongly agreed that MindTap helped them learn the material.